All right, let's look at something called the difference quotient. Okay, the difference quotient. So, this is what the difference quotient is. F of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So, we know how to find f of x plus h now. We've just been doing it. We're composing, we're putting x plus h into our function. Then we're going to subtract the original function. We're going to simplify all that, and we're going to see if we can simplify it with that h in the denominator. Okay, so if we are finding that difference quotient for the function, negative 2x minus 7, okay, we need to plug x plus h into our function first. So we're going to have negative 2 times x plus h minus 7. We want to simplify that. Negative 2x minus 2h minus 7. Okay, so I'm going to abbreviate this dq for difference quotient equals that expression, the f of x plus h, minus f of x. Now notice I put a set of parentheses around f of x because it's following a subtraction sign. Okay, we're going to have to distribute that negative. All right, so let's distribute the negative. Plus 2x plus 7. So check out what happens. Our x's cancel, the 7's cancel, and we're left with negative 2h over h, and then the h's cancel. So this difference quotient simplifies down all the way down to negative 2. Okay, let's do it with a quadratic. Okay, so here's our function. X squared minus 4x plus 7. We want to find the difference quotient for that function. So we start with f of x plus h. This is going to take just a little bit more work, but not too bad. X plus h squared minus 4 times x plus h plus 7. So x plus h squared is x squared plus the outside gives us x times h, the inside gives us x times h, so we have 2x times h plus h times h is h squared. Okay, distribute the negative 4, negative 4x minus 4h plus 7. Now, unlike in the previous problem, we were able to combine some like terms right there. We don't have any like terms to combine. Okay, all of our variables are slightly different in one way or another. So that's all we can do. So let's do the difference quotient. It's that expression right there. Minus our original function. Again, make sure you put it in parentheses because that negative has to be applied. Okay, it's about to become a lot more condensed. If we distribute that negative there, we've got a negative x squared plus 4x minus 7. So the x squares cancel. I'm just saving myself some writing here. The 4x cancels because the first one's negative, the second one's positive. The 7 cancels because the first one's positive, the second one's negative. So let's see what we've got left. We have 2xh plus h squared minus 4h. That's it. All over h. Now, there is one more thing that we can simplify. All those terms in the numerator have an h. So if we factor out an h, then we can cancel with the h in the denominator. So the difference quotient here is 2x plus h minus 4. Okay? So